Okay, so in the last class, I had told you what is dress code. The customary code of dressing for any kind of occasion is known as dress code. The rules and regulations related to your clothes is known as dress code. So each and every occasion, we prefer to wear different kinds of clothes, isn't it? So especially in case of formal environment, when especially you're attending your classes, you go to your school, you go to your institution, you go to your university, you go to your college, what do you have to follow? You have to follow the rules and regulations related to the dress, to the clothes. When you'll start working, you will have to follow rules and regulations related to clothes. You have to dress up according to the rules and regulations. In some organizations, in most of the organizations, you have to wear formals, and in some cases, in some organizations, you might not have a dress code, so you might wear anything you like. You might also have a uniform, especially in your profession, because you will have a uniform that you will have to wear. In some professions, they don't have any uniform, but they have to follow a certain dress code. But in certain professions, you have to wear uniform. So it depends upon the organizational norms. It depends upon the rules and regulations set by the organization. So it may be different. The rules and regulations may vary, but the main thing is that you have to follow the dress code. You have to wear according to the instructions that is given. And especially in case of college, school, university, what you have to do is you have to wear uniform. There are only few colleges where you don't have to wear uniform, but in most of the institutions, you have to wear a uniform. All right. So I had discussed regarding the male outfit. So your shirt should be something like this. The shirt must have a collar. So the shirt must have collar. You're suggested to wear full sleeves, full buttons, light color, especially single color. Then it should be properly ironed and clean. If you do not have any uniform, okay. If you have uniform, you have to wear that particular uniform, and the design of the shirt should be similar to this. Okay. Your shirt must have collar, your shirt must have buttons, your shirt must be ironed, and it should be clean. All right. In case of uniform, you have to wear the uniform, there's no other option. But in case you don't have any uniform and you have to wear formals, then you can pick this kind of a shirt. And in case of uniform, if you are stitching your uniform, then make sure that this is the design of the uniform. Then I had also shown you the pant in the last class itself. What kind of a pant, what kind of a trouser you should wear. So the length of the trouser should be shoe length. Your socks must be hidden. So if you are stitching your trouser for the university, then this should be the length. It should not be skinny. This should be the pattern of your trouser. All right. The trouser should not be skinny, and it should not be short. You're not supposed to fold. This is the uh, design that you are supposed to follow. All right. And regarding the pockets as well, you need to follow this design. And If you are having, again, if you are having an having a uniform, then you have to wear whatever is provided to you, uh, whatever uniform is provided to you. But if you are wearing in if you're not wearing a uniform and if you have to wear formals, then just pick up a dark color for yourself. All right. Then regarding, I had also discussed regarding the shoes. So this, you need to pick up this kind of shoes for yourself. All right. You cannot wear boots, you cannot wear sports shoes. So for the university also, you have to pick up these kind of shoes. This is the design that you must follow regarding the shoes. You must have lace. It should be black in color and it should be clean. It should be polished. All right. There must not be any designs, any chains, or any straps. All right. This is the shoe. And if you're wearing a tie, so you will be having a tie here in the university. But again, if you're wearing something else, if you're wearing something apart from the uniform, if you have to wear formals, and if you're wearing a tie, make sure that your tie has single stripes or it's plain in color. And do not go for too striking colors. Go for light colors or black, dark blue. You can pick up those colors as well. And your belt, it has to be something like this. You need to wear a belt, but your belt cannot be something, your belt cannot be of any other material, but of, it should be of leather. It should be black in color. So your shoes and your belt, it should be of the same color. All right. Should be of the same color. So if you're wearing black shoes, then you must wear a black belt. And you must wear this kind of a belt. All right. You're not supposed to wear any other kind of belt. This is the belt that you are supposed to wear. Black in color. This is the design, and leather. All right. These are the things that you need to remember. You can wear a decent watch. You can wear a watch. Do not go pick up any watch that has a lot of designs. You can wear a simple watch with a strap. Do not wear any kind of earring or any accessory. Okay, do not wear any kind of earring, especially you're not boys, you're not supposed to wear any kind of earring. If you wear some kind of earring, please open it. Okay. And make sure that there's no tattoo on the body. And if the tattoos are if you have a tattoo, make sure that you do not get yourself a tattoo on a body part which is visible. All right, you should always have a tattoo on a body part that is not visible, that you can at least hide. Okay, if you are having a tattoo on the arms, of course you can hide that. You can wear a full sleeve shirt and you can hide that. If you have a tattoo on the fingers, you won't be able to, you cannot wear gloves, isn't it? So that is why you cannot wear gloves all the time. So that tattoo will be visible. So that is why do not have tattoos on the visible parts of the bodies, on the visible part of the body. Then make ensure personal hygiene. You need to take a shower every day. You need to use body spray. You need to smell good. You need to look neat and clean. Then regarding your hair, again, it should be neatly cut and combed. Need to maintain decency. You cannot if you have colored hair, if you have long hair, get yourself a haircut, color your hair, color again, make it black. Okay. Make your hair, if you have different kind of a color on your hair, color it black. All right. So you're not supposed to you're supposed to look decent. You're not supposed to come to the university with colored hair and all these things. All right. And yeah, do not wear rings and all. Avoid finger rings and all. These are the things that you should specially avoid. uh, Boys, yeah, these are the things that you should specially avoid in the school premises, in the university premises, in your office premises, because it's not allowed. If it is allowed, if specifically it is mentioned that you can wear anything you want to, then of course you can wear whatever you like to. But other than that, you're not supposed to wear these things. Okay. Then regarding the female outfit, so there are two types of formals, okay? Indian formals and Western formals. All right, you can wear Indian formals, you can wear Western formals. I'm not talking about the uniform. Uniform is something that is chosen by the institute or the organization, isn't it? So you cannot basically wear anything of your choice if you have any uniform. But apart from that, if you are asked to wear only formals, then you can choose between Western and Indian. Okay. Then if you're wearing a shirt or a blouse, especially in case of blouse, the sleeve of the blouse should be 3/4. All right. And the shirt again with full buttons, the is similar to that of the boys. Then again, take care of your hygiene and avoid fancy stuff. You're not supposed to put any fancy stuff, not supposed to wear any fancy stuff. Then if you are wearing something Indian, then you can pick up a sari for yourself. A cotton sari is regarded as a cotton and a silk sari is regarded as formal. Later on, when you'll start working, so if you're asked to wear formals, then you can also pick up a sari for yourself, but not the Georgette, embellished saris, simple cotton or silk saris. Okay, regarding the Western formals, these are the Western formals. Uh, Trouser and shirt, then skirt and shirt. So accordingly, you can pick up your own uh, dress for yourself. If you have to pick up any kind of outfit for yourself, but if you have a uniform, you don't have any choice. All right. So this is the design of the shirt. This should be the design of the shirt, and this should be the design of the pant, the trouser. All right, the trouser should be worn without any folds, and it should be of ankle length. It should not be too skinny. And if you later on, if you work in an organization where you can also wear skirts, that is, if you can wear formal skirts, then it should be knee length with proper stockings. Then shoes must be of single color and without or with heels, no problem, but only if you can carry the heels, only if you're comfortable with heels, then go for heels, otherwise go for flat. But for the university especially, I'm telling you, you can wear shoes, the kind of shoes that you had worn in your school. And also you can pick up a pump shoes for yourself. Do not wear boots and any kind of sandal. Okay, if you're wearing the trouser and the if you're wearing the trouser and the shirt, all right. And if you have picked so go for shoes, black color shoes, the ones that you have worn in your school. Or you can pick up a pump shoe, a simple pump shoe, a simple black color pump shoe. All right. Then hair should be, if you have long hair, then a single ponytail or a bun is preferred. If you have short hair, then definitely you can let it fly. Avoid any kind of shiny pins or any kind of other accessories. All right. If you're wearing rings, then avoid rings. Okay, in your profession, because you have to wash your hands and all those things. So try to avoid rings if it is not at all important. Again, no body tattoo, unusual body tattoo or piercing should not be visible. Then do not wear transparent garments. Avoid heavy makeup. Then later on, when you will start working, if you're wearing a nail paint, it should be transparent. Make sure it's permanent. If you make sure it's transparent. And if you're wearing a lip color, it should be nude. Okay, and avoid kajal, because it, like it might like spread, and then you won't look that decked up. And these are the things that you should avoid. All right, especially in case of a formal environment. Otherwise, you can definitely wear, but especially in case of a formal environment, these are the things that you should avoid. All right. Then decent hairstyle is very necessary for boys. Clean shave is necessary. Then, of course, a smile is needed to, uh, you know, uh, to boost up your energy, to boost up your confidence. So there must be a smile on your face, and this is how you should dress up. And yeah, that's all regarding